Hey guys, I am here with another video. Today's video is going to be the Allure Beauty Box unboxing. This is the March box, I want to say. I just recently started subscribing to this. I'm not sure how I feel about it just yet. I believe it's $15 a month, but you open it up, there's a little flyer card thing in there, there's tissue paper, and then underneath is all the products that you receive. So the first thing that I have is from Olay, and it has a $3 coupon inside, and it's the Regenerist Retinol 24 Night Moisturizer. This looks like it is a little sample size. It's a mini jar, it does say that. 0.18 ounces is what it is. So this is what I have. I've never heard about this. I also have from Belief. I do like their brand. This is the Peat Miracle Revital Eye Cream. Have not used this particular product, but I do like Belief. I think that they're an excellent brand. I also have this interesting little lipstick, Ultra Cream lipstick from Appeal. I've never heard of them. I know nothing about them, and I cannot open this. It is a very vintagey looking lipstick tube. That's what it looks like. And it is a pretty mauvey pinkish shade. I'm not gonna swatch it because I don't think I'm gonna keep it. It does have a nice scent to it. It's kind of sweet, but I'm gonna go ahead and probably stick this in a future giveaway. I also have from Wander Beauty the After Hours Wanderlust Glow. I think this is a highlighter. We're gonna see if I can open it. It is a highlighter. It's kind of champagne-y and gold. It looks really pretty. I'm not gonna swatch this again because I'm gonna pass this on. I also have from Bare Minerals the Sensorials Skin Longevity Vital Power Infusion. I have no idea what this is. I guess like a moisturizer or a serum. You apply it after cleansing. I don't know. And then I have this giant brush from NYX. This looks like it could be like a blush brush maybe. It's really nice. Just a NYX brush. Feels really good. Oh, and there's also a mask down here, a face mask. Super Beauty Mask Rose blended with Jarrett tea from, I guess, Honey Jarrett. I've never heard of them. So that's everything I received. I will have Allure Beauty Box linked down below if you're interested in signing up. Again, I think it's $15 a month. This is my 3rd month receiving it. Not sure how I feel about it yet. Might cancel, might not. I don't know. We'll see. Let me know down below if you're subscribed to Allure, what you think, and what you thought of this box. And I'll talk to you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.
Words, I'll paint an invitation to let you in.